Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create fake messages in WhatsApp or Facebook. Let me show you the message. If I go to my gallery, as you can see, I create these messages. I was talking with Canada Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. How is it possible? So friend, it's totally fake. I was just created few minutes ago. Okay, let's see how you can create also like this message. One thing remember, do not misuse of this message. Okay, this video is just for educational purpose. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser, then type here fake details. Okay, then go to this first website and click on these three lines. Then you will find here social media. Just click on it. Then you can see here all of social media like WhatsApp chat, Facebook chat. Okay, so now I am going to create a fake Facebook message. Just click on this Facebook chat. Now you can select your phone layout from here, Android or iPhone, whatever you want. If you use Android, then just select Android. Then put here message time. I'm just randomly keep it. Then type here your battery percentage. I'm put here 78%. Then put here your person name. I'm just type here Justin Trudeau. He's the Prime Minister of Canada. Maybe my spelling is not correct, so it's just for example. Then upload this person image. Here click on select. Then type message as Justin Trudeau. Click on add message. After that, just select person 2 and type here message as you. After typing your message, you can choose from here your message status. I'm choosing here seen. That means this person is already seen my message. Then again click on add message. So friend, like this process you can make fake messages. Scroll down from here and you will find here download option. Click on this download option. After a few seconds it will automatically download. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get these types of video. Thanks for watching this video.